Hey everyone, it's David. Today we'll be potting up some cactus seedlings. These are cactus seedlings that I started between 6 and 9 months ago, and some of them are getting pretty crowded and need to be repotted. If I don't pot these cactuses up soon, some of the smaller ones will start to be crowded out by the larger cactuses that they share pots with. This is just going to be a short video today, but if you stick around to the end, I'll mention a couple other projects I'm working on. And let's get started. Here is my tray of cactus seedlings. This is the same tray of cactus seedlings I showed in earlier videos. I started most of these cactus seeds last September, but a few varieties I started in January. Here's a closer look at the cacti. I have been periodically repotting these plants as they become crowded. As you can see, some of them are more crowded than others, and today I'll only be repotting the ones that need it most. This one right here, for example, definitely needs repotting. This is from a natto cactus species mix of seeds. Cacti are slow-growing plants. Most of these are 9 months old and are still quite small. This, for comparison, is how you would typically buy a cactus from a nursery. This cactus right here is likely about 3 years old, so a lot of time goes into these plants before they are ready for you to purchase. I don't have very many cactus flowering today, but I did notice one flower on this Lophophora, so I thought I would share it quickly. It's unfortunately the only one blooming today, otherwise I would try to cross-pollinate the flowers so that I can collect seed from them. I was able to do this last year with a couple of these plants, but I haven't been able to this year yet. Okay, let's get to work on potting these up. And here's the cactus seedlings after repotting. The most crowded ones now have a lot more room to grow. Some of these cacti are even starting to get large enough to get their very own pots. The type of potting media I used today was a mixture of bagged, pre-made cactus soil, which I mixed in some poultry grit for extra drainage. I find that pre-made cactus soil on its own has too much organic matter and can stay wet for too long. Poultry grit is made of crushed granite, so it doesn't break down or hold on to moisture. I think that these cacti will enjoy their extra space and should be good in these pots for a while longer. Thanks for watching this video. I do plan on making more cactus videos soon. I recently made some Trichocereus hybrids by crossing 2 different Trichocereus, and I will be collecting seeds from that shortly. I'd also like to do some cactus seed starting experiments by trying different methods of cactus seed starting and seeing which method works best. If that's something you'd like to see, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.